Potatoes. Potatoes. We grow them in Oregon. Potatoes. We eat them in school. We love to eat the vegetable potato. Potatoes. Today, potatoes means delicious, hot, creamy potato leek soup. That's what my best friend and I are going to make and eat. Yum! Ingredients, please, Margaret. Thank you. 2 tablespoons butter, 1/4 cup of milk, 4.5 cups chicken broth from cooked chicken, 2 garlic cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper, and 3 cups of cut leeks, please. And now for the star of the show, potatoes! 3 cups of cleaned and cut potatoes. These potatoes are from our science garden project. We learned in school that potatoes grow under the soil, and farmers dig under the earth to harvest them. There's lots of kinds, but they all grow under the soil. These are going in our soup, but we definitely scrub and wash them first. Soup making time! Soup making time! Put the butter in the pot and dunk the garlic in the melty butter. Leeks, please. Thank you. Stir it up and cook it till the leeks get kind of soft. Leeks taste yummy with potatoes. Potatoes, potatoes, potatoes! 3 cups of diced potatoes. Slide them in the pot. Give it a stir just because it's fun. And pour chicken stock in the pot. Chicken stock in the pot. Cover, please. Let simmer till the potatoes are soft. Soft enough to do this. Mash and smash. It's fun to smash and mash. The almost done soup is really hot, so be careful. Get an adult to help if you want. Just pour in the rest of the chicken stock and the milk and simmer for another 5 minutes. And creamy leek and potato soup. Me and my best friend both like eating potatoes, but eating potatoes in soups we make is how we like them best. Creamy leek and potato soup, creamy leek and potato soup.
To learn more about potatoes, search Oregon Harvest for schools.